I'm Natalie from Top10.com. We're here to help make your decisions easier. Let's talk about Freshology. Papa. Freshology is a meal delivery service that is set on helping people lose weight. Their meals are designed for your health and are prepared for you by chefs. You can just heat and eat them in 2 or 3 minutes. If variety is the spice of your life, you're in luck. Freshology has more than 500 menu options to choose from. You can get breakfasts, lunches, and dinners that cover the spectrum of flavors. The majority of Freshology's focus is on weight loss, so all of their meals are tailored to fit this niche. Freshology boxes come with all of your weight loss friendly meals ready to eat and fully prepared. Meals are flash frozen and then packed in dry ice to keep them fresh. You'll receive your meals in a styrofoam cooler. One of the best features Freshology offers is the free diet analysis. Fill out a form and a professional will send you your results. Freshology is an easier way to lose weight and eat healthier. Delivering ready-to-eat meals that have been designed for nutrition, Freshology takes all the heavy lifting out of healthy living. I hope this video helped you decide whether Freshology is the right meal delivery service for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out Top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.